Welcome back, everyone. We're working on the 05 Silverado SS again. This time we're going to replace the hood release lever. They're plastic and they seem to break like this one after a while, or the top that retains. You can see the springs missing. This is a new one I got. They're $86 from the dealer. I got this one on eBay for $5.50, and I'll post a link to that in the video description. But we're replacing this today. So first things first, you're going to pull this cowling up, this piece of trim. Then this trim comes straight back. And all we're going to need to fix this is a pair of needle nose pliers and a 13mm socket. Alright, so there's one screw on the side back here. That's what your 13mm is for. And you're going to pull this. $13mm nut slides right off. Then you're going to see your little barrel nut at the end here. It's going to slide. Just rotate that and it slides out. And then here's where you're going to need the needle nose. On your cable, there's two little wings right there. You're going to squeeze them in with your needle nose pliers and then slide it back through just like that. Now your new one goes on. Barrel nut back in. Slide your wing nuts in. Goes right back on. Put the 13mm nut back on. And snug, not too tight. Remember, you're tightening plastic. Then you're going to put your trim piece back on. Let's see this. You'll see this little clip goes on either way. Alright, you're going to pull your handle, slide the piece through. Then pull this piece back over, goes on the top of it. Lower trim back on, and that's it. All done. Follow, like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos on keeping up on the SS's.